the ground. You spin me around, you make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling in love, lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier.
Going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head. Yeah, memories follow me left and right. I can feel over here, I can feel over here. You take up every corner of my mind.
Happy birthday, Mama Beth! We miss you and we love you. Happy birthday, Mama Beth! I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
Mama, sana po mag-ingat ka po sa US at saka sana po enjoy niyo po yung araw niyo ngayon.
Happy birthday po, Mama Beth. Ingat ka po palagi. We love you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Just enjoy. And hindi naman halata na, alam mo na, para ka lang namang 30 years old. Kaya, go, go, go! Ingat palagi. Happy birthday uli. Bye!
Hello ma, happy birthday. Good, sana maging marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo. At talagaan mo yung sarili mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Beth. Message ko sa'yo, enjoy life, stay healthy and fit. I love you.
Happy birthday, it's Vince.
Happy birthday, Mama. Ingat po.
Hi.
Hi, Ate Beth. Happy birthday. I wish all the best and I wish you good health. I know you're happy right now and I hope God answers all your prayers. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Ma, happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na. Sana mahanap mo na yung true love mo. Mag-enjoy ka lang kung nasaan ka ngayon, ma. Huwag mo na kaming intindihin. Talapin mo yung forever mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I miss you. Love you, ma. Happy birthday.
Hey, Matter. So, this is your day today. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the happiness na gusto mo ma-achieve sa sarili mo. I know you are happy right now at nandiyan ka sa US. And masaya din naman kami nandito. Nandito kami. Joke lang. Ayan. So, alagaan mo sarili mo. Life is short. So, make the most out of it. I know marami ka pang gustong ma-achieve sa sarili mo and sana maging masaya ka, happy ka, and ayun lang. So, enjoy life to the fullest and huwag mo kakalimutan ng sarili. That's it. So, happy lang. Enjoy. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Ingat ka po dyan palagi.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on the vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, will you sanctuary?